It is important when processing solid surface products to be able to both mix and degas the product. The Centre of Excellence is equipped with a Gruber vacuum mixer. In the first stage, Cristic stone cast resin is charged to the mixer, followed by the correct proportions of aluminium trihydrate and polystone chips. After the lid is sealed, the initial mixing disperses the fillers and additives and is carried out under a vacuum for about 5 minutes. The mixer is then stopped, the vacuum released and the mixer opened in order to check that there are no undispersed lumps of filler or particles adhering to the mixer blade. It is important that any undispersed material is removed at this stage. If it drops back into the mix during the later stages of processing, it will remain undispersed and cause surface defects in the finished part. The mixer is closed and stirring is continued for a further 5 minutes to ensure thorough dispersion. The catalyst is then added at the final stage to allow the maximum working time with the mix before the onset of gelation. Pouring is a key part of the process and should be done smoothly and with as little folding and rippling of the mix as possible, as this can cause porosity in the final pass. Similar care is required with all types of mould. In a further effort to reduce air inclusions and remove air trapped by the pouring process, it is advised that moulds are vibrated during pouring and for some time after pouring is complete. Demoulding varies, but is generally between 1 and 2 hours. To demould, clamps should be released evenly and the part lifted smoothly and carefully from the mould. This will avoid jamming, which can cause damage to both part and mould. Scott Bader recommends that mouldings are allowed to mature for a period of 24 hours before post-curing in an oven. The final finish on the parts is achieved by sanding and polishing of the surfaces. This allows the granite effect to be seen to its best advantage and looks more natural and permanent than a high-gloss finish.